Hey guys, good day to you. Today I would like to use this Instagram post to create the Barbie doll. So let's check it out. How can I do? So first of all, we can go to, just now I go to searching about the Barbie doll like this. So you just searching in the column and then type in Barbie doll. So if you are Canva free user, also entitled this image for this project. So after I have this Barbie doll, so I just reduce the size and then put the center. You can also use another well, maybe for example another pose, whatever you like. Then I go into the square. So Canva here they have I click this color, they provide me this guideline. So for this Barbie doll they have a photo color, so I just choose one of these color and make it cover this lady, this Barbie doll. Right click, send it back. So I make this Barbie doll maybe more, adjust this size, okay, maybe like this. Then what I want to do is make these have the feel like a box. So same, I will use this triangle. Then I make this time, make this color more darker. Just coming here, maybe like this. Then I right click, send it back. Okay, the feel is a little bit like this. And then I need some shape, so maybe I try to search the shape I want. If I find it, so maybe this one I try. Maybe this area like this. Okay. And then here as well, duplicate. Going back, so I use the triangle to overcome here. Right click, send it back. Okay, this one I deleted. So now they have a shape look like a box. Maybe I adjust a bit this one. That one is this color is behind the Barbie doll. So I put over here, so make this look like more okay for view. Then I go into make the bottom pop. Okay, click one more. Then I just put over here, make like this bottom part need to adjust until here. Now I need this one. Turn around like this, make this one smaller. over here, this one reduce until like this, emphasize, make it look more better. Okay, and then the Barbie doll for the nicely Barbie doll here, like this. Okay, then come to edit, apply glove, click one more time. We change to the white color, blur I reduce 100%, size I go into maybe 8, like this, apply. Then maybe also can put something here like mention there is a hot sale. Okay, for example, maybe this one. Okay, finally we want to apply the plastic cover. So the plastic cover, I just because due to some, just a minute, so I can just apply over here and then make it more pretty or better. This one adjust until this area, and then right click, send to back until he behind the box. Adjust few time. I don't want send it back. Maybe one more time is better. One more time. Okay, then this one I think need to adjust a bit here. Okay, so now I also can reduce this transparency, maybe about 65. Okay, always depend. So this is today I'm sharing. So where can I get this plastic cover? Actually, you can go to element and searching plastic, plastic cover. Okay, plastic cover. If you're a Canva Pro user, you have Canva already provide some plastic cover for you. So if you're Canva free, so this is one I go to searching for the plastic wrap PNG. The website is PNG PNG3. So you can log in or sign up, but every day just only allow you to download 2 pictures per day. So I just choose one of the plastic and then I to upload in the Canva. So this is the result. I done it for the simple one, and then I hope you enjoyed today the video. If you like this video, please give me like and subscribe my channel and share to your friend as well. See you in the next video soon. Bye bye.